Alright, welcome back, Beowulf Nation. It's on Beowulf, back at it with another YouTube video. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification to get notified as soon as the video is uploaded. Also, too, check out my Amazon store, amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf. Also, too, check out the I Am Beowulf merch at BeowulfNation.com. Let's get talking about this video. You've seen my last video, I talked about how the ports are backed up. And here's more of the bad news of what's going on. It says here, this is breaking news. Apple reportedly can't get enough chips for the iPhone 13. The company is slashing its manufacturing goals by over 11%. Says here, the chip shortage is hitting the iPhone 13 with Apple reportedly unable to get enough parts for it to hit the planned manufacturing goals, according to the report from Bloomberg. Apple has originally planned to produce 90 million phones in the final months of 2021, but it's reportedly slashing number by 10 million, or around 11%, due to supply issues with chips from Broadcom and Texas Instruments. While the primary 815 Bionic SoC on the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro is manufactured by TSMC, there are plenty of the chip-based components inside the phone that come from other sources, as iFixit through teardown of the iPhone 13 protocol or iPhone 13 Pro's logic board shows Texas Instruments and Broadcom are responsible for several key components, including chips that handle display, power management, face IDs, laser arrays, USB connectivity, wireless power, and more. Apple CEO Tim Cook had already warned on the company's Q3 earnings call that it might see chip supplies issues, noting that we do everything we can to migrate whatever set of circumstances were dealt with, but seems that even with Apple's best efforts and variable relationships with suppliers, it just can't get enough physical components together that it needs to make enough iPhones. It's likely that Apple will eventually manage to get production up, but slash manufacturers estimate means that probably be even more difficult to find, already tough to get a hold of iPhone 13 in the coming months. Man, it's definitely, if you're in the market to get a new phone, maybe you should go pick up the iPhone 12, but you know, it's a hard thing. You go buy the new iPhone and something goes wrong, you might not be able to get it fixed. So man, it's a risky gamble. 2021 going into 2022, what you should be buying, like cars, appliances, you know, electronics. It is just, man, it's not good. It's not good at all what is going on. And like I tell everybody, if you need to get something now, be prepared, because later on you won't be able to get it. I've seen a couple things I need to get, and I got a couple things and I'm like, oh, I'll just go and get it the next day. And the next day I go, it's sold out. And then when you want to go buy something then that you can't find in the store, the stuff just skyrocketed up on other platforms that sell stuff, you know, eBay, whatnot. And yeah, unless you want to pay to play, be prepared to get moving quick, because if you wait too long, maybe you won't be able to get the iPhone 13. I got the iPhone X, so like I'm not one of those people where I feel like to race to go get the next whatever. But if you are that person and you need a new phone and your phone is broken and you've been waiting for the iPhone 13, be prepared. You might not be able to get one. And if you do and you're lucky and something breaks and it's one of these components is a shortage, you might not get fixed. So be prepared. Be prepared. I like iPhone. I like their phones. I don't know. I'm on a Apple Mac Pro right now. Awesome setup. I like it with video editing, but otherwise I think myself I'd be going to PCs for other stuff just because of what more you could do. I do like Apple products, but again too, you got the Alienware gaming PCs. They're actually banned in California. That all got passed the first of the year of 2021. So definitely, you know, you never know. The last couple of videos I made, there's some big stuff changing or there's big stuff going on. So get prepared, be ready. Cool thing on that Amazon store at amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf. There's a bunch of stuff listed on there. It's also a bunch of stuff too to be prepared in case there's power outages, natural disasters, survival gear. That's one of the biggest things on there. There's some cool stuff on there, a bunch of different stuff, but you know, definitely check it out. It's worth to see what's listed on there. It's a lot of stuff I've done my research, the logistics of what I think are some good stuff out there that could help people, and check it out. So also do check out that I'm Beowulf merch at BeowulfNation.com. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification. You get notified as soon as a video is uploaded. Be driven to win. Remember, every day is Earth Day. Stay mighty and keep strong.